So yesterday I did a temporary patch on my boat because there was a hole in it leaking water so I could go out sailing, and it wasn't good enough. So today I'm going to do a proper patch so I can go sailing without having to bail the whole time. Okay, here's the patch. That's the hole, that's the hole. It's pretty deep, it goes through. Alright, and I'm going to repair it today. So here I am. I'm going to repair it with some putty. Now that it's all just one big color, I can fill in the gap. Here we go. Sorry. Let me see. Can do this. I have to put you down. Still working on it. There it is, patching it up. Trying to get the putty into the crack. It's a really deep one, so. I might have to flip over the boat and do it on the other side as well. Okay, my little patch is done. There it is. Okay, job done, hands washed, and ready to go out sailing.